Right. Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss about relation between drift velocity and electric current. Look at this diagram. Here I have a conductor of length is L and area of cross section is A, which is connected through a potential difference V. Okay. So whenever a battery is connected here, electric field is generated from positive terminal to negative terminal. So whenever electric field was generated here, all these electrons experiences some force and moves opposite to the direction of applied electric field with drift velocity Vd in this direction, right? So I mentioned here electric field is equal to electric potential by length. So this relation already you have studied in second chapter, the relation between electric field intensity versus potential difference, right? Now I want total number of electrons in this entire conductor. So the total number of electrons is equal to n number of electrons into volume of the conductor. So from this diagram, volume means how to write area into length, right? So clearly I mentioned total number n is equal to small n into area into length. So capital N is equal to n a l. So after getting this capital N, what is the meaning of charge? Charge is nothing but n number of electrons, right? So Q is equal to capital N into E. So capital N value is NaL into E. So let us assume this is equation number 1. After getting this charge equation, we know that speed V is equal to distance by time. From this, time is equal to distance by speed, correct or not? So that is the formula I mentioned here. Time is equal to distance by drift speed. So here distance is nothing but length of the conductor, L. So T is equal to L by Vd. So let us assume this is equation number 2. So charge formula we know Q and time formula also we know T. So charge by time is called current, right? So according to the definition, equation 1 and 2, we can write it as I is equal to Q by T. So Q value we know that is NaLe by T value is L by Vd. So numerator L and denominator L cut. The remaining equation is I is equal to NeA Vd. So from this equation, clearly we know that I is directly proportional to Vd. Okay, and drift speed formula we know Vd is equal to small e capital E tau by m. So directly you can substitute here. Therefore, I is equal to NeA into Vd formula is small e capital E tau by m. Therefore, finally you will get the resultant current I is equal to N into E square A E tau by m. So this is the relation between drift velocity and electric current.